No problem. Yes, like we cook food in the dash kitchen. Yes, we cook food in the kitchen. A house gives us shelter from the heat or sweet heat. Very good, very good. We, yes, we take a bath in the bathroom. Okay. We sleep in the bedroom or dining room. Bedroom. The dash room has a dining table and chairs. Living room. Living room. Dining room. Okay, dining room. Right. Match the following. Okay, you will match sofa set with bedroom, kitchen, dining room, living room. Yes, living room is also known as guest room. And in room, we keep our sofa set. Okay. Yes, dinner. Where do we do dinner? Dining room. Yeah, in dining room also has table and chair, but here we. Okay, beta. Then bed. Bed. Where do we see bed? Bedroom, kitchen. Bedroom. Okay. Cooking food. Where do we cook food? The kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Okay. Yes. Yes, beta. Kitchen. Spelling of kitchen. Okay. Now write true or false. A house keeps us safe from rain. This is true or this is false? True. A house keeps us safe from rain. This is true. Okay. A house may have many rooms. This is true or false? No. इसमें मैं बोला है ना बेटा मेरी सुनिए ये ट्रू क्यों है प्लीज पे अटेंशन यूजुअली अ हाउस हैज नॉट मेनी रूम्स बहुत से ऐसे घर हैं जहाँ पे बहुत से रूम नहीं होते बट यहाँ पे लिखा हाउस में हैव हो सकता है कि हाउस में ढेर सारे रूम हो तो ऐसे ये बात ट्रू हो सकती दिस इज ट्रू यू विल राइट ट्रू वी स्लीप इन द बाथरूम दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स we sleep in the bathroom who beta this is false please don't say this is false we bath in the kitchen false yes the bedroom has a gas the bedroom has a gas false okay now why do we need a house who will tell me why do we need a house please one child tell me only one child will tell me those which has those learned anyone has learned this answer Yes, Mishita, you tell me. Mishita, tell me. Okay. Then now, who tell me uh, the names of different rooms? Who will tell me the names of different rooms? Please, one child. Okay, what is your name? Okay, in which room do we cook our food? Shian Khan, you tell me. Shian, Khan, tell me complete answer. Yes, we cook our food. Don't shout, children. We cook our food in the kitchen. Okay. Okay. What kind of house is a strong house? What pakka house? What type of house is a strong house? Yes, pakka house, strong house. You should clear your concept. Okay. Okay. In which room do we sit? Yes. In which room do we sit with our guests? Living room. We sit with our guests in the living room. Okay, okay. Okay, which room is called the second bedroom? Which room is called the second bedroom? Guest room. Yes, guest room is also called our second bedroom. Okay. Here only we can, yeah, either we sleep in the bedroom or either in the guest room. Okay. Now anyone will tell me what we keep in our dining room. What furnitures? What we keep in our dining room? Dining table, and we keep dining table and chairs. Okay, very good. And what do we keep in the kitchen? What do we keep in the kitchen? Gas stove and vessels. Okay, okay. Okay, very good. Okay. What do we keep in our bedroom? Okay, if I ask you, okay, children, now listen to this question. A house protects us from rain. A option is rain. B option is wind. C option is both. So which one will you put tick? A house protects us from, A option is, मतलब पहला option आपका rain है, second option wind, and the last option is both. So both or wind? Both, because a house protects us from rain also and from wind also. Children, make sure these types of quiz questions can also come. जो आप question answer learn करते हो ना, learn them in many ways. आप उसको blanks form में भी learn करिए. You learn it in the form of true and false also. Question answers in the form of तो चैप्टर में छोटी सी चीज है ना, वो किसी भी फॉर्म में आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. So be capable of doing that thing in all the way, whatever is being taught to you. Okay. Now, like one question I am making, and some houses have few rooms. Okay. Sentence मैम ने क्या बोला कि कुछ हाउस में क्या होते हैं, थोड़े से कमरे होते हैं, ज्यादा नहीं होते हैं. This statement is true. ये statement true है. This statement is false. So which one will you say? True. The statement is yes. This is true. Because most की सब हाउस. Okay. 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 Now, who will tell me the name of the different rooms? Tell the name of rooms. Hmm. 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 Children, child, I asked you. Just you should tell the room's name properly. Okay. Number one, bedroom. Number two, bathroom. Number three, kitchen. Number four, dining room. Number five, guest room. Number six, living room. Or your second bedroom. Like this, you should tell the names beta properly. Okay. Got it? I asked you name of the room, na? Not right about uses. Okay. Now will tell me the spelling of dining. Spelling of dining. Okay. D-I-N-N-I-N-G. Dining. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now tell me the spelling of bath. Guests. Guests. We receive. We receive our guests. What is the spelling? Okay, beta. Guest की spelling. Now tell me the spelling of guest. G G U. Okay, 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 okay. Fine. Okay. Now tell me the spelling of. You have learned all the spellings, children. Good. Very good. Wait. Protect. Tell me the spelling of protect. Tell me the spelling of protect. 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 Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, lastly, how do we how? Why do we need a house? We come on, guys. We we what? We need Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no problem. Now class is over, children. This is all for today. Bye.